if you're like us, we love technology. We love a smart door lock, one that allows us to control who comes in and out of our house at any time. And man, I've been waiting for something like this to come along. This is the Desloc V150 Plus. We are some of the first people to actually try this. This is a solar powered smart lock with 3D face recognition. That's right. No fingerprint needed, even though it's got a space for your curved fingerprint. This thing will scan your face and will constantly say it's charged up via solar panel right here on the front of this thing. Let's get to it. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in the box. All right, so pretty impressive size book. You got here, it says deadbolt mechanical keys, ion battery, accessories. This is what I'm looking for right here. Come on out. Or come out when it's all together. Let's see what this case looks like. There we go. If you're excited like I want to see what it looks like. All right. It's a pretty impressive size right there. I like it. Look how big that solar panel is there. Thumbprint, it's rounded. You're supposed to be able to get more of the edges of your print in there. Side casing looks nice. You know what? Let's put her together. Here you go. We're going to start putting this together. I've been really anxious about this, and well, I've been waiting. I want to see what all the hype's about. Is this facial recognition lock the next best thing? Guess we'll see. All right, well, we've got the preliminary part right here finally screwed in here. I had to do some trimming on my trim. I have to clean up with some putty. That's all there is to it. Definitely a little bit buried in my old door knob. I just lost a screwdriver. Now Dirk just wants to put this the interior faceplate here on. And it just goes on here like such. We need to put lines that all up. Our lithium battery. What's next? There's this one here. That hits good. All right, now we gotta do some QR code scanning on my phone and set this up, and there we go. We know we talked a lot about this door, and I'll tell you what, the one thing about this lock that's amazing is if your hands are full, this thing still knows who you are. It recognizes you, and you can do this with a fingerprint or literally just by using your face. It's probably one of the most beneficial things we put on this house in a long time. It really has been a game changer in the way that we walk up to it. See it turn green? There you go. Do things around the house and how easy it is. This thing actually also opens and closes. It locks itself. So don't have to worry about not forgetting to close, because as soon as it recognizes the door is closed, it securely locks itself. And not only can you enter the house without using a key, but you can also close the house and leave knowing that your home is secure if you forget to press the lock button.